请德国代表发言。
Thank you, Mr. President. And as it is the first time that I take the floor in this Council this month, let me express our congratulations to you for the assumption of the presidency of the Council of this month of June. And we trust that you will guide us with your wisdom through all the challenges of what looks like a very busy month in this June. And you can count on Germany's support. At the same time, I'd like to commend very warmly and thank our colleague from Azerbaijan, Ambassador Akshin, for his very effective stewardship of the Council in the month of May. Mr. President, this is the last time that the prosecutor is addressing the Council. I would like to start by thanking you, Mr. Ocampo, not only for your report and statement today, but for your many years of hard work, dedication, and commitment to international justice. Your contribution has been instrumental in the efforts undertaken by the ICC to bring perpetrators of atrocities committed in various parts of the world to justice. And we are, of course, very grateful to you for the work in the following up of Security Council decisions 1593 and 1970, which referred the situations of Darfur and Libya, respectively, to the ICC. As you are leaving your present function, we wish you all the best for your future. Mr. President, we noted the arrest warrant issued against Mr. Abdel Rahim Mohammed Hussein, the current Sudanese Minister of Defense, on the 1st of March, and we understand the deep sense of frustration expressed in the prosecutor's report before us. Ahmad Haroun, indicted for war crimes and crimes against humanity, is governor of South Kordofan. Ali Kushaib, indicted for war crimes and crimes against humanity, is at large in Sudan. And President Omar Hassan al-Bashir, indicted for war crimes, crimes against humanity, and genocide, has been re-elected and defies the authority of this Council. Unfortunately, some of the indictees continue to incite government forces to commit atrocities in defiance of Security Council resolutions, most recently Resolution 2035 of the 17th of February. In short, other than in the case of Libya, open conflict and therefore impunity continues to characterize the situation in Sudan. In light of this deplorable situation, I would like to reiterate that it is the prime responsibility of the government of Sudan to comply with the Council's resolutions, to cooperate with the court, and to surrender the indicted persons to the authority of the court. As the prosecutor's report makes clear, no such will to cooperate currently exists within the relevant levels of the government of Sudan. However, this does not mean that justice will not be done at some point in time. Eventually, the Sudanese will have to decide what is ultimately the best for them and their country. The recent sentencing of Charles Taylor by the Special Court on Sierra Leone to 50 years in prison is a clear sign that the age of accountability is neither a dream nor a mere concept, but is becoming a reality. We must not lessen in our determination to foster this reality. Perpetrators of genocide, crimes against humanity, and other most serious crimes must and will not be able to avoid justice. Mr. President, notwithstanding Sudan's prime responsibility to cooperate, we have taken full note of the court's findings regarding non-cooperation of countries when visited by President Bashir. The non-execution of court requests severely affects its ability to fulfill its mandate. Germany therefore reiterates its call upon all state parties of the ICC to fully honor their obligations under the Rome Statute, in particular the obligation to cooperate and execute any warrant of arrest issued by the court. We also support ongoing action by the ICC Assembly of State Parties to encourage full cooperation with the court. I thank you, Mr. President.
我感谢德国代表的发言，下面我请印度代表发言。